switch. Would you like to know more? Full details coming up on Monday morning. You're listening to Homebrew Sam Riffin on K-Rock.
You know what? I started watching Game of Thrones there after Christmas, and I never saw anything about it. And I've binge watched six episodes of it. And I think this winter is coming. Ever since I started watching it, it was like, winter's still coming. It's like, it's funny. Yeah, it's very funny. We had a great amazing. There was hockey, there was a wine show, lots of people out and about, and of course, Friday night was like a splash. It was like a ghost town downtown on Friday night. Last night we had a Portland great night. We had Heel and Toe the early spot and the Irish Descendants the late spot, so it was a great night.
Well guys, it's day 2 at the roll cage. I hope you guys didn't mind the video clips yesterday of them just like putting together the bends and stuff like that for the cage. But anyway, yay, exciting. I'm actually really excited to know that we will be soon going racing and everything like that in Jersey's. Digging out his bed. I'm actually going to bring that bed now inside the garage and that for him so he can actually just chill and relax. But anyway, here we go, again at the car.
This comes part in a minute, you put that on your face. I've seen somebody work stick one of them in the face. Well, put shade on it. I'm saying they tell you.
Hey guys, sorry we're not like I guess talking much when we're in the garage and that. It's just really hard to hear at times, especially where they're welding and everything like that and grinding. It's just really hard to flip the camera around and talk to you guys and then flip back. So anyway, me and Jersey are just in the truck here now, just getting a quick warm up and stuff where it is so cold in the garage, like really cold. They're steady just like opening and closing the door. Sorry, I can't even talk right now. My ears are still kind of ringing from all the noise and that from in the garage. But yeah, they're steady opening and closing the garage door just to let like some fresh air and stuff in, where the welder smoke and everything is steady building up in the garage and the like grinding smoke and whatnot. But anyway, I just wanted to tell you guys a really quick story. I was just on the news and just reading up about a whale out in Trinity Bay. He's trapped in the ice. So you guys remember yesterday I showed you the ice pans and stuff that were out in the harbor? Well, anyway, like I was just saying, there's a whale caught out there. They had people come out just to see if they could rescue the whale, and apparently there's no way they can do it. It's so sad. Someone was saying in one of the articles that they actually wrote up about it, that it literally sounds like a baby crying from the whale trapped out there. Hopefully the wind soon changes direction so the pans in the harbor and stuff can actually start drifting back outwards, because like I said, I don't want to see that little, well, he's not little, but you know, I don't want to see the whale die out in the harbor. It's really, really sad. But on a happier note, and there's Jersey there in the background chilling, the roll cage is almost done. I'm so glad about that. We'll head back in there now. I'll take a few more videos with the camera for you guys, and yeah, hopefully you guys are enjoying it.
Well, now that I've seen pictures of my old car and that this is all one piece, that's definitely the easy way to do that. Hands down. Like I said, I never saw that till last week.
Good night, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow.